What's up, traders? Welcome back this beautiful Friday to another day trading recap video. Now, looking at the market, specifically some of these small caps we're seeing, there's definitely more opportunities out there, and it's only 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've been watching the market since 7 a.m. and I just gotta say, I'm shot. I feel it. Oftentimes Friday, I am pretty shot. End of the week, it's been really busy. And I just feel like, based on my strategy, there's not so much out there unless I really switch it up to like purely trading large caps, which I don't really want to do. I think I don't mind just sitting back and watching, honestly. You don't have to trade every day, and that's pretty much what's going on over here. So let's go to the trading screen and share a little bit more what's going on. Now, I did trade today, very, very small size, and just really scalpy because my biases are too strong at this point. I feel it. Like I'm having a hard time just wanting to get aggressive on these tickers because of the overall market. Although yesterday was one of the biggest bottom bounces we've seen in a very long time, and that was really, really nice. I mean, in Coinbase had a 60% move from the lows. Look at this, absolutely ridiculous. So we've been seeing some really, really nice bounces. I actually have to go to like a five minute chart here to show this. Look at that, 70%. Fake news. So 70%, really crazy. So huge bottom bounces that we're seeing, but I just took a few trades and I was like, I'm shot. I'm not really seeing anything I like to see. Fridays, I really like to stop pre-market usually. Like I'll get my, front side pre-market win, if I'm lucky, and then obviously, try to wrap it up from there because I don't want to be over trading on a Friday. And a lot of traders, stop early on Friday. I've definitely noticed the trend. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm up slightly on AMC and VERU. I wasn't excited about trading either one of these tickers, and I was pretty much just happy when I closed my position. So when you're in that position, we're just kind of feeling like cloudy in the head, but also the market's not that hot. I feel like a broken record player at this point, but you don't have to trade. That's one of the great things about this job. Obviously, it's weird going to work and like not working, and that obviously messes me up mentally sometimes as well. But the best thing you can do sometimes is not trade, and I feel like that's probably the case. Now, if I was like a large cap momentum trader and I was like totally zoned in, today is a little bit better of an opportunity to trade because the overall market is going up just a tad bit. Let's actually look at that for a second, and then we'll dive into these tickers. So we have the SPY, which yesterday had that beautiful bottom bounce, and now we're having a gap up day, and I think we might be able to see 400 or a retest of this 400 zone. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, or in terms of Monday, so first trading day next week. But I think for now we're on this little dead cat bounce, and who knows, maybe it's going to be a full-on reversal. I'm not super optimistic for a full-on reversal. I got to be honest. I think we're going to probably hit some resistance around this 403 area, and then maybe break it a little bit, maybe not even really break it at all, and then continue the downtrend. Who knows? Anything's possible. It's not my business to try to predict the market, but I got to say, me personally, I don't think it's over. Things are feeling like they're just starting to get worse in the overall economy, so I'm not super bullish on that. But sometimes, the market is a couple months or quarters ahead, so who knows? Maybe this is the bottom. It's super hard to say. Talking about my trades here really quickly, we'll just start with AMC. I know how much you guys all like AMC. Not my favorite ticker, and I almost rarely trade it. But, today, pre-market, it was crawling up, and I was thinking, okay, decent little front side move here. I mean, we had a 5-minute breakout right, where did I trade it? Right in this area. I went for the 1-minute pullback after the 5-minute breakout. My entry was a little bit too soon, and my exit was also a bit too soon, and also my size wasn't really significant at all. But look at this open. I mean, this is, when I see stuff like this, I just think, a 5-year-old has a crayon and is just going crazy. And this is really the chop I usually try to avoid at all costs. So that's why I'm not getting super aggressive right now. I'm just not loving what I'm seeing. And I feel like it's a lot easier to make mistakes than make profits. So yeah, a lot of resistance on AMC around 1270 or so. Yesterday we popped even higher to like 14, but then we really got slammed back. More so than other tickers. Wow, this is quite aggressive how AMC got slammed back. I didn't really see that across the board on most other things. Like, for example, BMBL, Bumble. This one actually held its highs very well. And actually, that's not true either. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see this. I guess I was looking at this one pre-market and I was like, okay, it kind of crawled up a little bit more. But yeah, actually this one sold off a little bit more than I was expecting it did. Okay, so let's keep going back to VERU and see how I traded this one. I'm up $55 on this one. So it really feels like a scratch day. It feels like I didn't really do anything today. I was trading small size and I was just kind of scalpy, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to call it. I think I did like 3 or 4 trades today, which is crazy because I usually do like around 25, give or take 5 or so. Yeah, so VERU, let's see if we can just load this one more time. Maybe my trades will show up, maybe not. Yeah, they showed up here. So nice 5-minute breakout, and it was actually really decent. So from the bottom here to the top, that was a 30% move. Not so bad. I mean, overall, this ticker was only up like when I started trading around 20%. So usually I'm not trading tickers that are only up 20%. But, you know, in a market like this, you kind of you take what you can get. So yeah, 5-minute breakouts here. I started buying this 1-minute pullback, but I bought this breakout here, but I closed right away because the volume felt a little bit weak. I was kind of hoping we get a bigger volume breakout than this one, so to maintain a nice upwards trend. And then I think I missed my size here. I didn't get my entry here. I chased this one a little bit late, scalped here in this area a little bit. The good trade really would have been if I got aggressive here on this pullback, but I kind of missed that one, so that was a little unfortunate. We had a really nice big volume breakout there. That big volume breakout did make me a little bit more bullish, or feel like I can get aggressive and buy into this high candle. If this was a low volume breakout, there's no way I would have done this trade. Yeah, so other than that, I wasn't too excited at the market open. I was kind of just like, let's kind of let it do its thing. Snow actually ripping really nicely here after we broke this 151 zone, up 3%. So Snow, I was looking to actually trade at the market open. And technically, I could probably trade it right now. I don't think it's going to just sell off. I was even saying pre-market, we might see this ticker run to like 165 or something like that. That's what I was saying in the Discord. Who knows? Actually, definitely feels like it could see that zone. We got a lot of resistance around 157, so that'll be the place to watch. But really nice buy volume on this ticker, and this is one of the more healthy large caps, I would say. It did sell off, around 70%, but compared to other ones like Robinhood and Coinbase that were down like 80, 90+%, this one actually didn't do so bad, and it had some of the strongest recovery we've seen. So really nice on Snow, but like I said before, it's got a lot of resistance here coming in. This was a double bottom, and then we broke that, so this is going to be definitely a retest of that area. I don't see us really breaking that with much strength unless today just turns into one of the biggest rally days we've seen of the year, which could also happen, but I don't know. I'm a little skeptical. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I'm just going to take my small profits, my basically no trade day, and then hopefully Monday, small caps or whatever come back a little bit more, and I'll be a little clearer in the head, and then I'll be ready to hit the ground running. But I just don't feel like I want to keep trading today. I feel like if I make profits, if I make $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, I'll be like, yeah, was it worth it? And if I lose, which is more likely the chance, I'll just be like, oh, I knew I should have done that. So once I have that feeling in my head, that's never a good thing. So, all right, guys, I'll wrap it up there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like on the way out and consider subscribing if you're new. I'll see you then first thing Monday morning. Like always, guys, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao.